Good afternoon, everybody. It's Angela and David.
Hello there.
Wyllie's Travel Adventures. Just to let you know, we're about to set off to sunny Blackpool.
Hey.
One of our favourite places in the world.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going 2 nights. We're staying at a new hotel this time.
For us.
Yeah, called Parkhouse Hotel. So I'll be doing the normal room tour. And then I'll take a tour around the hotel at some point over the next 2 days. We're going to have a look at the new tram system they've got up to the North Pier, aren't we? Not the North Pier, sorry, the North Station. Silly me.
Silly you.
Silly me. And then just have a wander about and things. So grand is out, and we're all inclusive, which is even better, isn't
So
it?
we'll be having a drink or two.
Yes, we will be. So join us on our journey when we get to Blackpool. Okay, we'll see you later.
And I'll have a pint or two for you as well.
And David's not looking at the camera.
Oh.
That's it. Okay, see you all later.
Bye.
Hi guys, we just arrived at Blackpool in the Parkhouse Hotel, and surprisingly we got a car park space. So we're in room 221.
You may enter. I made the bed.
Are you the room service person?
Of course. Made the bed.
Right.
Everything's perfect.
So this is our room for the next 2 nights. Oh, what was it? Hello everybody. So here we've got a double wardrobe. We'll just open it and see what's inside. So we've got lots of hangers. And we've got a fan in case it gets too hot. Slightly grubby on the bottom, but apart from that, it's a cupboard. Just close that up. And then we've got a double bed here. So this is the bed. That's the back of the bed there. It's got a light underneath. I'll see if David can find a switch for the light, and we'll put that on. So that's it with the light on. Apparently the rooms have all been refurbished recently. And that's the table. That looks a bit old though, the table. That might have been in there before the refurbishment, I think. But you never know. Coffee, tea, and some hot chocolate. There we go, hot chocolate. 2 lots of hot chocolates. I'll be having a drink. And we've got the normal phone. Let's see what we've got in here. Empty drawers. There we go. We've got three drawers. So we've got plenty of storage. We've got a bin. And then over there we've got 2 chairs and a television on the wall. So that's the bedroom. It's not a bad size, is it, David? Eh?
Good.
Yeah. So this is the bathroom. The little things of there we go, little things of shower gel and the tiniest bit of soap ever. Toilet and a shower over the bath, and we've got towels there. So yeah, very nice. And that's the view from the bathroom. I don't know when they were refurbished, but I just read that all their rooms have been refurbished. But yeah, I've never stayed here before. Looking forward to it. We're all inclusive, aren't we, David?
Yeah,
David likes all inclusive. So we'll go down now for a drinky poos. Time for the drinky poo. So we'll see you all later. But yeah, Oh, the view. Yes, that's Pier de Resistance. I've forgotten about the view, guys. So we're right next door to the Imperial, which is a massive hotel. And it's like a side sea view. Happy with that. And that's the Imperial. That is absolutely a massive hotel. And that's our view. Quite happy with that. As long as we can see the sea, I'm happy. So there we go. That's our room tour. So I'll probably take a tour of the hotel at some point as well. I'll probably take a bit when we're down there now. So we'll see you all later. So this is some of the seats you can sit on right at the sea. Very quiet. We've managed to get a parking space, no bother at all. In there through that window. Don't know whether you can see. That's the dining room. Take you along to the end because you'll be able to see the Imperial from a different angle. We will get to stay in the Imperial at some point. Yeah, so that's the front of the Imperial there. It's huge. I'd love to have an explore in there. That would be mint. Obviously, it's just check-in time now, so that's probably why it's still quiet, because a lot of people have gone home today. But yeah, when we drove along the seafront, Blackpool was busy, but I've seen it a lot busier. This is the dining room. David's just opened the door. I don't want to go in too far in case I get told off. Very nice, very nice. Hi guys, just sitting in the, I don't know what you call it, like sunroomy type of place in the hotel. Here's David coming back with the pints. Just thought I'd tell you a little bit about this place. So we booked it on booking.com for 2 nights, all inclusive. We got a sea view room, and that was upgraded. From a normal double, we got a sea view room, and also you get, with your all-inclusive package, you get free bingo tickets, and you get a tram pass, which the tram pass is like £6.60 each, and all your drinks and all your food. Very good deal. And if you book it with Parkhouse Hotel for these 2 nights, it was coming out at 390, and we paid 204. So that's really good, isn't it? Huh? We couldn't just not do it, like, could we? Because you know me, I'm a Blackpool person. Love it. Been coming since I was 6. So yeah, it's been good so far. Well, we've just been sitting in this lovely sunroom. It's lovely and warm, watching the trams go by, watching the people go by in the water. Yeah, it's grand. So we'll see you all later. Bye for now.